Hey everyone, you are in the right place because today I'm gonna show you how to unreport someone on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, can you unreport someone? If you have accidentally reported someone on Instagram, you might wondering if there's a way to take it back. So sad to say that unfortunately, Instagram doesn't have an option to unreport a user post or comment once it's submitted. However, here's what you need to know. What happens when you report someone? Instagram reviews the report to check if the content or account violate their guidance. If it doesn't break any rules, nothing will happen, and the reported user won't be notified. If it does violate Instagram policies, the content may be removed or the account could face restriction. What can you do if you reported someone by mistake? Well, just ignore it. If the reported content isn't actually harmful, Instagram will likely dismiss the report and nothing will happen. If you are worried, you can contact Instagram support. Just go to the settings and after that go to the help section. And after that, report a problem. Explain the report and request them to discard it. Alright, so to sum up, there's no way to cancel a report once it's set. Instagram won't take an action unless the content violates their guidelines. So, I hope this clears things up. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified on the latest video. Thanks for watching and take care.